Welcome to CreativeIdeasTube. On this channel, we dive into a world of imagination and innovation. From DIY crafts and artistic endeavors to ingenious life hacks, our goal is to inspire your creativity and make everyday tasks extraordinary. Join us as we explore a plethora of innovative ideas and bring your imagination to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss out on our imaginative content. Welcome to our tutorial on using an AI video maker. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating videos using AI technology. First, let's start by opening the AI Video Maker software on your computer. Once the software is open, you will be greeted with a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily navigate through the different features. Next, let's import the media files you want to use in your video. Simply click on the Import button and select the files from your computer. Once you have imported your media files, you can arrange them in the desired order by dragging and dropping them in the timeline. Now it's time to add some effects to your video. The AI Video Maker software offers a wide range of effects to choose from. Simply select the effect you want and apply it to your video. You can also add text to your video to provide additional information or captions. Simply click on the Text button and type in the desired text. Once you have added all the desired elements to your video, you can preview it to make sure everything looks perfect. If you're satisfied with the result, it's time to export your video. Simply click on the Export button and choose the desired format and quality. Congratulations! You have successfully created a video using an AI video maker. Now you can share it with the world and amaze your friends and followers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow creators who are always on the lookout for fresh inspiration. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing and remember, the only limit is your imagination.